Good day everybody, maupay nga adlaw, hayo nga tanan. I am Liz, ako hi Liz, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted anything, and I've been thinking of posting another tutorial for speaking Waray. So in this lesson, it's going to be a musical lesson. So I just recently discovered this, and I don't know who composed it. I just know that my mom sings it and my grandfather sings it as well. So this is something that's existed for a long time, and we don't know who wrote it. So if ever somebody knows the title of this song or the writer of this song, please feel free to comment down below. And let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to sing the song first, and then I'll explain the lyrics later. So this is how it goes. Hadto nga mga panahon, ang isda nagmalipayon, Nagtukod hirahin sisyon, ang pagmulay ira bubuhaton, an pating iragin umbrahan, tinyentehan kaisdaan, kun diri nira pagsundon, kanan pating sisibaron. Hadto nga mga panahon, ang isda nagmalipayon, Nagtukod hirahin sisyon, ang pagmulay ira bubuhaton, an pating iragin umbrahan, tinyentehan kaisdaan, kun diri nira pagsundon, kanan pating sisibaron. So that was the song, and then I'll explain the lyrics to you guys. So the first sentence goes, the first phrase goes, Hadto nga mga panahon. Hadto means a long time ago. Hadto nga mga panahon. Panahon means time. An isda nagmalipayon. Isda is fish. And malipay means happy. And nagmalipayon means that they were partying or having fun. And the next phrase goes, Nagtukod hira hin sisyon. That means they put up a meeting or a gathering. Nagtukod is to put up something, and then sisyon is like session. So it could be a gathering or a meeting of some sort. And it says, the next phrase says, an pagmulay ira bubuhaton. So in this sense, it could be pagmulay means to play, but I think it's more related to sports, something that they're going to do together. And then ira means they are going to do. So bubuhaton is to do something. An pagmulay ira bubuhaton, you're going to play together or to do something playing together. And then the next phrase goes, an pating iragin umbrahan. An pating means shark. And then umbrahan is to honor the shark. So they're going to honor the shark. The fish are going to honor the shark. And it says, tinyente han kaisdaan. That means tinyente, lieutenant, han kaisdaan, of the fish. So the lieutenant of the fish, it's the shark. So the shark is the head of the fish. And then it says, kun diri nira pagsundon, if they don't follow the shark. Kun, if, diri, not, nira, them, they, pagsundon, sunod, follow. Pagsundon is to follow. Kanan pating, sisibaron. So, kanan pating is the shark will chase after them. So if they don't follow the orders of the shark, then the shark will come right after them. Okay, so that was my explanation of this short folk song. I hope you guys learned a little bit, and stay tuned. There will be more videos coming up. Thank you and bye! Salamat hin madamo.